This is why you need to trust the training and skill of your flight crew. When faced with a sky full of hail, only their expertise can land you safely. On June 12, 2023, a Rayan Air flight from Palma de Mallorca to Vienna was cruising at 18,000 feet when it flew directly into an unexpected hailstorm. The hail was so severe it destroyed the aircraft's nose cone and obliterated the cockpit windows. Inside, pilots faced what seemed like an impossible task: landing the plane without being able to see through the windshield. Using only their instruments and their training, they declared an emergency. Despite the dire conditions, the skilled crew managed a miraculous blind landing at Milan Airport. All 173 passengers and 6 crew members emerged unscathed, a testament to the calm under pressure and quick responsiveness of the flight team. This harrowing experience underlines the unpredictable nature of flying and the critical importance of safety protocols and prepared crew. It's a reminder that in the face of the unknown, training and teamwork prevail.